हेलो एवरीवन, माय सेल्फ डॉक्टर मधुरा कदम एंड आज हम बात करेंगे टेलबोन पेन के बारे में। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि टेलबोन होता कहाँ है, उसके क्या क्या कॉजेस होते हैं, उसके सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं, ताकि आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करो कि आपको टेलबोन पेन है या भी नहीं है, एंड फ्यू ऑफ द इफेक्टिव एक्सरसाइजेस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो दिस इज टेलबोन एंड इसको कॉकेक्स कहा जाता है। दिस इज लोकेटेड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द स्पाइन. So pain in this area would be very much frustrating, uncomfortable condition. But remember, with proper management, it can be controlled. So here are the reasons you might get tailbone pain. Number one, if you've got injury to the tailbone area, it could be due to fall or some direct impact. Number two, if you're sitting on a hard surface for a long time or on a chair which has less of padding, could put some pressure on the tailbone area and might give you pain. Number three, during childbirth or labor complications. Number four, if there is some bone spurs or growth of the tailbone. And the last one is the infection or tumors. Now let's understand how would you feel if you have this tailbone pain. Number one is pain or tenderness in the area or around the tailbone. Number two, it is difficult to clear the bowel bladder movements or during the sexual intercourse. Number three, if you have pain in sitting or standing for extended period of time. And the last one is the back stiffness. However, certain exercises can help you reduce the pain. So here are some exercises that you can try them out. Remember to stop the exercises that causes you tailbone pain. If your pain is still persisting or it's worsening, you do need to consult a physiotherapist for this and get a guided treatment. Thanks for watching our video till the end, and do subscribe our channel for more information.